So what it do, YouTube? It's your boy Lil Timmy, bro, and I'm back here with another video today, bro. Today we're gonna be reacting to a video called Georgia Man Shoots at Cops with an AK-47 after deadly high-speed chase. Title sounds mad interesting. So yeah, bro, let me know what y'all think about the video down in the comment section. Let me know anything else that y'all feel like that I should react to. And yeah, bro, let's get to it, bro. I ain't even gonna waste niggas' time. Let's get it. Oh shit, nigga, he off. He pulled off. He pulled off.
We're now getting a first-hand look at a Georgia car chase turned shootout that left multiple officers injured, one suspect killed, and another with a lifetime prison sentence.
Oh yeah. That nigga had the bitch out the window, nigga. Or
it happened on April 12th, 2021 in Carroll County, Georgia, west of Atlanta.
Damn.
That's where a Georgia State Patrol trooper stopped a Nissan Sentra driving more than 100 miles per hour
yeah, that nigga
along
was
the
speeding.
interstate.
Hold up, nigga. Why is you driving like that? You got an AK in the car. Like, these niggas ain't giving shit. That nigga flew past the police. Why is he driving like that? He got an AK in the car. What the fuck, nigga?
Investigators later determined the driver was Aaron Shelton. His cousin, Pierre Shelton, was in the passenger seat.
Aaron Shelton geeking.
As dash camera video shows, at first, the driver doesn't stop for the trooper.
Nah, that's wild, man. Okay.
Eventually,
He is
though,
pulling
the car
over. Yeah, he
pulls
pulled
to the
over.
side of the road. But when the trooper gets out to approach the Nissan, it speeds off.
He said, fuck all that. Yeah, that nigga pulled right off. He said, nigga, you thought. Fuck wrong.
Dash camera video shows the initial chase as Aaron Shelton attempts to outrun the trooper.
Let's see, can he outrun him? Man, he bluffing. He putting on brake lights and all type of shit, nigga. You bet. I should not see no tight brake lights, nigga. If I'm seeing brake lights, they should only be for a second. Nigga, he bluffing. Let me see some. Let me see some. I ain't gonna lie, whatever car he in, that shit ain't that fast, or he ain't driving that fast, cause there's police on his ass. No, they not his brake lights. Like, he bullshitting.
Soon, the trooper gains on Shelton's vehicle. As dash camera video continues, the initial trooper zeroes in on the suspect's car and taps it as it drives along. The car veers out of frame before straightening out once again. Next, Pierre Shelton can be seen from the passenger side of the Nissan pulling out an AK-47. He points the gun back at the Georgia State Trooper and opens fire.
Out the window.
As the chase continues, multiple other units respond to the call, including County Sheriff's Deputy.
Hey everybody, Peach here, and today we're going to take a look at the Speediance Gym Monster 2,
right out the window.
which is an all-in-one
fuck no.
Deputies and local police officers.
Nigga, why you just ain't take the speeding ticket, bro? Why you just ain't take the speed? I mean, you can't really hide that big ass AK. Can't really hide that shit.
Dash camera video from other first responders shows them joined together in the search for Shelton and his cousin.
Once you get more than one police car chasing you in a car, bro, that shit over with. Shit is over with, gang. He should have just took the speeding ticket. What's going on? Lights bright as hell.
Yellow hoodie. 6-6, back off of them, back off of them. Back off, let's see what they do. Dispatch, we're right here going 69 miles an hour. I'm waiting to see what we do. We're turning right on Bankhead Highway.
See.
Alright, get me some people up here. Let's get ready to do
shit, I ain't gonna lie, the police got a hard-ass job, nigga.
Carrollton Police Sergeant Rob Holloway can be heard on body camera video calling out instructions during the chase.
Like imagine, bro, you just trying to do your job.
Just little, we're gonna follow
you get a big ass AK pulled on you. Like,
60 miles an hour. Bankhead Highway. We're
hey, I would break that motherfucking car.
To set up spikes at Bay Springs.
Y'all got that shit. I ain't losing my life for this shit. Fuck y'all niggas start about.
Something up under it. Definitely an AR stop. Hey, just make sure we're backed off just enough, okay? I'm going to try to turn on my scene lights. Dispatch, we are going about 90 miles an hour. We are coming up on Old Airport Road.
But only a minute later, shots are fired toward Holloway.
They're hitting their brakes. I'm waiting to see what they're about to do. She went back off of them. 229, you got Granby Connor. You ain't got to worry about spikes. I know, but I don't want to get up here where they're moving around. I'd rather just go ahead and disable them.
Sergeant Holloway was shot in the head and crashed his squad car as a result.
Oh, they shot that nigga in the dome. Damn. Yeah, them police finna kill somebody.
Dash camera video from Holloway's squad car shows the same moments from a different angle.
Oh, nigga, he was bussin'. They hit him in the head right here, bro. I know them niggas probably thought, yeah, but we got away. Damn.
These same moments of Holloway's crash were also captured by another officer's dash camera.
Yeah, damn, he took the police out with the AK.
229, somebody check on 229.
As the crime unfolds, video shows officers on the scene take cover, ducking behind parked squad cars.
Right. Damn, bro, nigga got shot in the head. That's what I said, nigga. I would've. What? I ain't dying over this shit. Fuck. But I
video then shows some officers move to a new location. This video shows the perspective of Carrollton police officer Chase Gordy, who also responded to the scene.
You see, gang.
Gordy can be seen taking cover in front of his squad car as shots ring out in the distance.
Fuck, he got the flash doing, man. Yeah, they job hard. I ain't gonna lie, nigga.
Soon, gunshots are fired directly at Gordy.
This Call of Duty real life, nigga. Ain't no respawning. You get shot, killed, it's done. That's like, fuck all that.
Gordy can be seen calling for help as the gunfire continues.
He got that little ass pistol.
For only 2 seconds, a suspect is seen in front of the squad car, gun in hand.
Damn! Bro, this nigga has a fucking rifle. This nigga look fiend out. This nigga got a fucking big ass gun. Yo, hell no. Bro, shout out to the officers, man. I ain't gonna lie, bro. Y'all gotta deal with some real shit. Like, I ain't gonna lie to y'all. Y'all got them crooked cops, fuck y'all. But them good cops, y'all gotta deal with some real shit.
Officer Gordy's body camera video captures these same moments from another perspective.
He gonna get killed. He just walking out with that gun, he gonna get killed. They gonna kill his ass.
My car.
In all, 3 first responders were shot and injured. Gordy, Holloway, and Deputy Jay Repetto.
Damn.
Pierce Shelton also died in the incident. Aaron Shelton was arrested and indicted on 22 counts, including felony murder, felony fleeing, and aggravated assault of law enforcement officers. He was later convicted and sentenced to life in prison without parole.
Yeah, I was ready to say, yeah. So one of them died and one of them got life in prison. Lost both of their lives. That is crazy and it's dumb as fuck. Wow. Yeah, I already knew that nigga that was walking around with that AK. I already knew he was going to get killed. I knew that nigga was going to get killed. It ain't funny, but damn. Shit, bro. Y'all let me know what y'all thought about this, bro. These niggas crashed out. For what? But, yeah, bro, let me know y'all thoughts about this in the comment section. And let me know anything else that y'all think I should react to. And, yeah, bro, I'm going to catch y'all in the next video. How about it, coach?